Agenda funa ekyokulya.
Now, Mr. Mubi, even as we conclude today's video, could you please give our viewers any last parting remarks? And even to those who are watching who want to help Ugandans and they are not farmers, how can they help them?
Abalabi baffe.
Anyone can help us. We really need your help. If you are helping us, we wouldn't be like this. Get us medication that can give us medication that can help our crops. Give us acceptable medication that we can use to spray our crops, that when our crops go in other countries, it's not poisonous. This will help us to raise the standard of our crops and to do our job well. Now, for Ugandans, do not look down on yourself. Whatever you choose to do it with courage. Do it with determination that I'm going to benefit in this. Because when you are determined, you will do it with all that you can and then you will get. But when you do it doubtedly, wondering whether you will make a profit or not, then most likely you won't. Thank you so much for visiting us.